In front of me is INFINIX Note Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Display and Brightness. Now scroll again, but this time select Fonts. Click on one of those and go back, or if you are looking for something else, use this plus icon. Then check out all of those fonts and download the one you like the best, or multiple for later. Let's go with Leostar. Hit download, tap on apply, and hit OK. Then go back to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!